Good day everyone. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself and my groupmates. My name is Dustin L. Cabanilla.
And I am Ruth V. Salvador.
And I am Royce C. Izquierda.
And
we are from
BSED
BSED
Math
Math
1.
1. Have you noticed how the way we speak changed depending on who we're talking to? We speak casually with friends but more formally in school. This showed that language is flexible. Today, I'll talk about language varieties and register of language and how they help us communicate properly in different situations. Language varieties refers to the different ways people use language based on factors like region, culture, and social group. For example, accents, dialect, and slang are all types of language varieties. These differences make communication and reflect our identity and the community we belong to. Next, we have three types of language varieties, such as regional, social, and functional. Regional is the variation in language due to geographic factors. Social is a language differences influenced by social factors, and functional is the changes in language used depending on the function. Let's proceed for our example in regional varieties. In the Philippines, people say comfort room, while in America, they say rest room. Even if they mean the same thing, the vocabulary is different because of culture and place. This shows how language reflects where we came from. Next, social varieties show how language changes depending on the people we talk to. For example, when talking with friends, we use casual words like bro, cool, or astig. We speak more freely and informally. This shows that our language depends on our social group and relationship with others. And last is functional varieties. These are the different way we use language depending on the situation. For example, in anchor reporting, we use formal and clear language. The goal is to inform people properly. This shows that the language is organized, direct, and easy to understand.
Now let's talk the two types of language, the local and global. In everyday written, local refers to the people, culture, and business within our community, like in neighborhood posted. Then in global, it connects us to the wider world through technology, social media, and international news. Next is everyday oral. Local is what we experience every day in our own community. One example is gossiping. But in global, it's about how we're connected to the rest of the world through the internet, social media, and world events. Another is specialized written. In local environments, economic activity are directly experienced, such as publication and websites of local agencies. In global, it was a large-scale system such as international journal and digital ecosystem that operate across borders. The last one is specialized oral. For local, it refers to the social systems within a specific community. For example, is utilizing computer game related to vocabulary. Then global describes the broader networks like a paper presentation sessions in an international academic conference. Now, we will proceed to language register. There are three dimensions of it. Number 1 is field of discourse. Number 2 is tenor of discourse. And number 3 is mode of discourse. So let's talk the first dimension. Field discourse is about what's happening in a situation. What's the activity and topic being discussed. For example is academic discussion like in classes. And also, business meeting was included to the field of discourse. For the next dimension, which is the tenor discourse, it is the relationship between people in communication. It affects how formal and informal the language is. For example, is in the business meeting, we usually use formal interaction rather than informal interaction. Then for the last dimension, it is the mode discourse. In this dimension, mode of discourse is the way communication happens. It can be spoken or written, formal or casual. Simply, it's how the message is delivered.
And now let's talk about the types of language register. We have the formal language, informal language, and the consultative. It explains how you communicate with different people in different scenarios and events. It also shows how people uses language wisely so that respect and clarity will always happen. First, we have the formal language. It is used in serious and professional situations in a form of written or spoken language. It is structured, polite, and avoids slang or shortcuts. People use it when speaking to authority figures, writing academic papers, or giving speeches. Next we have is the informal language. It is used in casual and relaxed settings. It is more personal, flexible, and often used slang, contraction, or shortened words. This type of language is commonly used with friends, family, and everyday conversations. Lastly is the consultative. It falls between formal and informal. It is semi-formal and used in situations where communication is polite but interactive. This includes conversation like teacher-student discussions, patient-doctor talks, or workplace communication. As we conclude, language is more than just words. It adapts to our situation, audience, and purpose. These differences help us connect, show respect, and understand each other better. Because in communication, it is not just about what we say, but how we say it.